Hi, my name is Mark Cooper, CEO of PM11. I was asked recently to co host a webinar with Tanya Walter, CEO of Obzervr, and we talked about how organisations can automate and use mobility solutions to improve maintenance. It was hosted by AustMine, the leading industry body for Australia for mets and mining, and the following is one in a series of topics. Today's topic is maintenance automation.
Well, I like the definition, which is that automation is a technology by which a process or procedure is performed with minimal human assistance. And I think that really encapsulates what you can do in a maintenance process. So in a maintenance process, we've just got to understand that humans are necessary. And so a SAP integrated observer is automation, because what we're doing is minimizing that human assistance. We're minimizing those errors that are coming from just a range of different paperwork or people just not completing their tasks back in a defined system like SAP.